Hey everybody, I'm James and this is Unboxed. Today we're taking a look at the RFD90 from Zebra Technologies. The RFD90 is an ultra-rugged UHF RFID sled that enables rapid inventory counts of up to 1,300 tags per second and increased workflow accuracy for industries such as transportation logistics and manufacturing. Let's check it out. The RFD90 is the first handheld RFID solution we've had on the show, which is very exciting. Very cool color scheme. The device feels super solid in the hand, which is always nice. It looks like we also have perhaps the battery. Yes, indeed, the battery that I assume loads into the handle. We'll take a look at that in just a little bit. I'm gonna get cleaned up, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So, the RFD90 was built to perform in demanding environments, which is why it was tested with multiple 6-foot drops to concrete and has an industrial-grade sealing of IP65 or IP67, depending on model. It was engineered to operate between -4 all the way up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit and has support for iOS, Android, and Windows devices through the use of OTTERBox's Universe adapters. Of course, it also has support for multiple Zebra mobile computers through the use of Zebra's eConnex adapters. The RFD90 features Bluetooth, NFC tap-to-pair, and Wi-Fi 6 for easy over-the-air device management. The standard model has a read range of 22 feet, whereas the long-range model can read all the way up to 75 feet. Lastly, the software development kit for the RFD90 is based on the current Zebra handheld SDK, which means only a recompile is required to get up and running with the RFD90. Thanks so much to the team over at Zebra Technologies for sending it over. It was the very first RFID device we've had a chance to take a look at on the show. If you're interested in learning more about the RFD90 or getting availability information, contact a BlueStar sales rep. Until next time, I'm James, and this has been Unboxed.